Hey guys, I've done this video like 5,000 times and now I'm frustrated because people keep calling me and I can't get finished with it. So whatever, my hair looks a hot mess, I look stupid, I don't care, whatever. I just want to say that this oven right here, I love it. It works really good. The toaster ovens are just fine. But the only difference between this and a toaster oven is this part that goes with it. Okay, it's really cool. You put flat stuff in here and it opens up. You put the flat stuff in there, you close it back, boom, put it in the oven, and hook up the suction. It has a suction in it and it's really cool. It has a vacuum button, so when you hook that up, you turn the vacuum on and it suctions down. So that is the difference between, that is the difference between this oven, glorified oven, because that's what it is, and a toaster oven. But toaster ovens are great. They do the job. They get them done. I guess a mug press is fine too, but I've never used one. Don't want one. So, and you can also put, I think you can put 12 cups in here or something. I don't know. But, yeah, you can't put 12 cups in the mug press. So, whatever. But anyway, so I have one in there going on right now. It's 12 minutes. You don't necessarily have to flip it, since it is on its size. Normal 11-ounce cups will stand up. You don't have to do nothing. The only reason I flip this is because I don't want to waste cups. I've wasted cups and I don't want to do that. So I just roll it over on this other side after 6 minutes. So I'm going to show you how I tape. I don't use a clamp press. I don't use masking tape. I've used masking tape before, but it's a little messy. And so is the heat shrink, whichever heat shrink I was using. It could have been the wrong heat shrink, but I can say one thing about heat shrink. If you have it in the oven for 12 minutes at 400 degrees, it's going to melt. So that's why it's messy as well. You have to put parchment paper down if you want to take care of your oven. If you don't want it all nasty and stuff. But, so, like I said, masking tape is sticky. This tape is great. It's the heat tape that we normally use for whatever. But what I found was a wider heat tape. That's what I use. So anyway, so you tape it one side, and then all I do is just really tightly, make sure it's tight as you can get it. You know what I'm saying? Tight as you can get it. Make it tight as you can get it. Put your little piece of tape on there, and then put your tape. Okay, so then keep going with your tape. I don't tape the sides off yet. I tape the top off and then go back to the sides. I have to keep, yeah, we're ready to flip. I gotta flip that. Okay. And you just flip it over. Like I said, probably do not have to. Just doing it. Rather be safe than sorry. Okay, so now let's go with the, keep it on the roll and commence the taping. Pull a little tight. You know what I'm saying? Pull a little tight. Pull tight, 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 tight. And then just overlap the other piece. Cut it off. Do the same thing to the bottom. Go the same way. Because if you don't go the same way, it's going to crease the opposite way if you have any air in there. But just be safe than sorry. Go the same way. It's stupid not to. Because you're going to have movement. You know what I'm saying? Because you're getting it tight. You're getting it pretty tight. But it ain't super tight. You want it tight as you can get it. Everybody's strength's different than everybody's strength. So, boom, cut that. Then, so that's all like that. Okay. Then do this piece, which actually I kind of end up doing this twice. Down where the handle's at. Alarm will sound. I just keep looking at it. So, hopefully nobody calls me again. Please stop it. Ah, okay. And then do that, and then I just kind of run. You know, you got it taped. Boom, 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 and just kind of run my finger along the bottom. You know, get it smooth out. As smooth as you can get it. Run along there. Excuse my craft room because I need to clean it up, straighten it up, and whatever you want, whatever you call it. It's a messy mess. I've been busy. I like being busy. I have to sit there and be like, what am I going to do today? Nope, I'm busy. I'm good. Okay. So then we have our great, yay, our wide tape. I love it. I love it. I love it. That'll last a second. So you just peel it on up. Now, when you put it on here, sometimes it goes on crooked. If you get some creases, that is okay. Just get the freaking air out of the creases. That's all I gotta say. Because I've been having good luck with this tape. And I just pull it tight, put it between my legs. You see that? Boom, like right there. Okay, and then just pull tight. Just roll it. Sometimes I get lucky and it's even. It's like, oh, I did it. No creases. But then sometimes like, oh shit, I got creases. But like I said, you got creases, get the air out. I'd rather do this once than twice. With masking tape, you have to do it twice because it's not wide enough. They may make some that's wide enough, but I don't like masking tape because sticky. Sticky. Okay, and then cut it right on across. Roll your stuff back up. So, see that? Now there you go. I actually did a good job. It's nice and smooth. Okay, really tight. So now I'm just gonna take little pieces and go down here. I know I'm over taping it. Okay, but no. When it comes to these when it comes to these cups, no, I don't think you can over tape. But it was so funny because I always thought, oh, it's not going to work because it's heat tape and it's not going to let heat through it. You're dumb. Yeah, it lets heat through it. It's 400. It's dang near 400 degrees. It's coming through. Just tape on down. Overlapping just a little bit. And like I said, this right here may be unnecessary, but you know what? I don't care. I don't want to risk it. And you most definitely have to do this, though. I know, like, for a full bleed. Because you really don't want to let any air pockets get in there. Not at all. Now, this one didn't really overlap the top. So, I'm good. But if you have the tape that overlaps the top, and, like, the one I got in there, I kind of overlap it again so it'll fold over. But since this is on top, I'm not going to overlap it again. There's no... It's clean. So, but I am going to tape these. So, like I said, rather safe than sorry. Cut. And cut. This. Okay. Oh, and don't forget to take your little Made in China sticker off. Yeah. Ooh, and I have to wash my hands on there. And my thing is about to beep. My minute's about to be up. Oh, 23 seconds. I gotta get this out of here. I'll put that right there. I'm gonna hold it on there. But my time is about to run out. So now you can see. You guys can see what the cup look like. Oh, the camera's falling on my face. Here we go. That's hot. Alright, so now, like I've said before, when you can see through it, you can see that picture come out, you're pretty much good to go. 9 times out of 10, you're good to go. Florence, don't take your gloves off because you're going to burn yourself. I was just about to take my gloves off. So, anyways, yes. I'm going to peel this off and we will see what we got. Hopefully no oopsies, because it kind of makes you mad. Get frustrated. But it takes money to make money, I guess. Oops, I messed up again. The room's a mess again. So many minutes I got. Hot. Shoot. It's zooming in on my face so I can't see the cup, but I will pick it up and show it to you. It's hot. Okay, so we're good to go. Look at that. That's pretty. That came out really nice. Talk birdie to me. Yep, that came out really good. Get the rest of this tape off of here. So, because, you know, you have to kind of rinse the cups out because, especially with it being so hot, these gloves are like, I forgot to put the wash me thing on the bottom again. Oh, whatever. Anyway. Yeah. It's really nice. Comes out really good and pretty. Look at that. So anyways, that's how you do it. And those are the dealios of this oven, you know. It's really, really, really cool. This thing is going to keep following me. Whoa. Oh, well. So, anyways, but that's the oven. And, yeah. That is that. So, check you guys later. Bye.